Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I, of course, am at the forefront of all the comments on the channel, and there is one thing that I find absolutely dumb and stupid is when Linux users trash Windows users. I've got a couple of those comments today. Oh, well, Windows is trash. Windows users are gullible. Things like that. Well, that is never going to help Linux gain market share. No one is idiot in using an operating system. And no, Windows isn't trash. Windows is actually a great operating system. And Linux is great too. And I've never personally called any Linux user a dumb, stupid person ever. And I am fine with the fact that you use Linux. But that is exactly why Linux users do not even, we almost shouldn't even spend time talking about it. It's because of that attitude. I've said it before. Linux fanboys' attitude are the worst. And I mean, there's a lot of Linux users out there that are great people that are not trashing Windows. Some are using both Windows and Linux distros and are happy with both. Those are the ones that should promote or talk about Linux. But if you look at all the comments, and I remove a lot of them because of the bad language they use. Not because you're talking about Linux. That was another comment today. It's like, well, you remove my comment because you're a Linux hater. No. Did you see the amount of swear words you used in your comment? Out. I respect comments that are written respectfully. I do not respect anything that is a trash comment with swear words. So, this is where people got to understand. You want us to listen to what you have to say about Linux and how, it changed your life? Well, how about saying it and talking about it in a polite way? And you will never, never, never have anybody listen to you. Calling Windows users dumb, that's the first big mistake. They aren't dumb. And there are tons of reasons why Windows is a million times better. A million times better. Just the sheer choice of software for the different hardware you use. And if you'd see what I do here, you would never even think about going to Linux. And if you see the amount of people that I see that are so stubborn, not wanting to use Windows, that limit themselves to very specific software, only one choice or two, when there's about 50 different choices for what they could do on Windows, shows me how stubborn a lot of Linux users are also. The idea is not that Linux isn't, it's an operating, like the Linux distros that are out there. There's some beautiful ones, and there are some ones that are very, very nice to use. I've used many, many, many even recently. The thing is, the attitude of the users on Linux are just, they're trash. That's what I call trash. And as long as you're going to actually continue doing that like that, calling Windows users dumb, and not even accepting the fact that, there's a reason for Windows for a lot of people. Because you think that Linux can do it all when it's obvious that most people that actually leave a comment do almost nothing with their PC. Because once you start really, really doing hardcore stuff with your PC with all sorts of different hardware, you start seeing that, I'm better in Windows. So, you know what? I think the word of the day is, being polite and stop trashing Windows users because you're a Linux user is the word of the day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.